Good morning. Today we are going to be converting metric units in distance. I know it's distance because the unit of measurement is meter, and meter is the metric unit for distance or length. So first we need to remember back to the story about King Henry, and the first letter of King Henry died all correlates with the prefix for the unit of measurement. So kilo, hecto, deca, unit is the base unit, deci, centi, milli. So for problem 1, I have 50 millimeters, 50 mm. So to get from millimeters to centimeters, I would start at millimeters and I would go one spot to the left. So I would find the decimal. I don't see the decimal in 50, so it's right after. So I insert the decimal and I move it one spot to the left. So 50 millimeters would be 5 centimeters. Next, for problem 2, I have 3 meters. There's only one M, not mm for millimeters, so it's meters. So to get from meters to kilometers, I would start at meters, and I will go 1, 2, 3 to the left. So I don't see a decimal, so I'll put it in, and I would go 1, 2, 3. There's my new decimal, and I would need to insert zeros. So 3 meters is 0.003 kilometers. And finally, I'm going to go from 2/100ths of a meter to centimeters. So if I went from meters to centimeters, I'll start at meters and go 1, 2 to the right. So here I would find the decimal, it's right there. I'll go 1, 2 to the right. So 2/100ths of a meter would be 2 centimeters. Have a great day, everybody.